bunch of moving and cleaning. This is what I've gotten done so far. Halfway there. The reason why I didn't do the chassis is because that's gonna go in undercoat. So I'm gonna put a line right there on the edge, and I'm gonna spray the rest in undercoat. I don't really care for it because you don't see it. These are the main parts that I want to be seen. Doesn't look too bad. I know it is a spray can job. Guys, don't knock me. I don't have money to go out to the shop and get my engine bay sanded and primered and painted. This is in my garage, and it's mine, and I'm pretty happy with it actually. Once I'm done, I got to put everything back together before I forget where everything belongs. As you can see, I still got to do this whole side over here. I got to figure out how the heck am I going to do this side, being that the brake booster is there and the master cylinder. I might just end up bagging that up there. But yeah, this is where I'm at so far, at least with the one side. It doesn't look too bad. This is actually heat resistant, what is it, VHT engine paint. That way it can withstand heat. I also bought just a quick clear just to put on top of it, and just to give a little bit of shine so it won't look so dull. But it's just another protective measure. I didn't clean there very well, as you can see. But anyway, who cares? It's in the bottom of the bay. You ain't gonna see that once the engine gets put back on. Painting the car. I didn't show the process because I thought it was just a waste of time. Again, this is just a rattle can. It came out pretty good actually. I'm pretty impressed. I did get the heat resistant, I think I mentioned that earlier, the VHT whatever it is paint. I cleaned it, sanded it, cleaned it, degreased it, you know, just take the proper steps to just to degrease it pretty much. However, it's done for right now. I think it looks pretty good. From the way it was, I can't complain. And the red was all scuffed up and scratched up. It doesn't look bad. As you can see, the wheel there, it's still factory primer gray, whatever that is. But again, remember the fenders cover all that, so there's no need for me to do all that stuff. I still have to do some touch-ups here and there. Same on the other side, and these little rails here. I'm gonna go ahead and put just undercoat on this bumper support there because again it gets covered up by the bumper, so I don't care. If you can see the rails, the frame rails, I did undercoat them. I am missing a spot there, but that's because I can't get to it. That's okay. The engine's gonna cover all that. The transmission housing, or wherever it sits, whatever you call that, it also has undercoat on it, just for future preventative measures. Everything else looks pretty clean. I kind of clear coated the brake booster. It looks really good. It was kind of faded, just as well as the fuse on box, and yeah, I'm happy with the way it came out. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching this content. I know it's probably boring, but thank you so much. If you guys have any advice for me, just like I say in every video, I'm doing this by myself and I'm learning as I go within process. Yeah, just hit me up. leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to it. Appreciate you guys. That's it for this video. Peace out.